Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here! Welcome back for another highlight. As promised, syempre, kala nyo nakalimutan ko na, no? Itong Sanrio Characters Wonder Wheels, and finally, completed all 6. And syempre, we're going to build it and show you the closer look of each character, di ba? If you remember from my previous vlogs, di ba, na ang rami kong inopen na Sanrio Character Wonder Wheel at ang daming doubles, 'di ba? Pahirapan si Cinnamoroll makuha. Ayun. And for now, syempre, already completed it. Yan. Kaya papakita ko sa inyo on how would you build this as Ferris wheel. And actually, sa totoo lang, on my first try, nahirapan akong i-build kung paano siya maging Ferris wheel. Naging ibang ride siya. So, yun. Yun. Okay, first, pakita ko muna yung mga characters. Yan. Here's si Pompompurin. Nice. Then, My Melody. Cinnamoroll. Hello Kitty. Pochako. And Kuromi. Yan. Actually, I have a trivia on this one. Actually, nalaman ko na lang to sa mga kapwa collectors or even the Jollibee managers. The technique to get the set is that hindi Jollibee hopping actually. Is that dapat kukuha daw yung crew or manager sa isang box patayo. Hindi lang siya sa lahat sa on top sa isang layer. Kasi if ever na kumuha sa isang layer, si staff ng Jollibee, same character lahat siya. Kaya di ba ang daming concerns on the previous postings sa social media na kinuha niya 10, 6, pare-parehas kasi on top lahat kumuha. So yun, per layer kasing character niya. So ganun siya inayos. Kaya sana looking forward if ever na mag-release si Jollibee on the following following months na same blind box, di ba? Magkaroon na ng technique or strategy, di ba? Lalo na para hindi mag-doubles yung bibili ng mga customer. Okay lang sana kung bumili ng 10, 2 Hello Kitty, 3 Kuromi, 4 na Cinnamoroll, then isang ganito, then isa wala. Okay lang sana yun. Pero kung isang set, di ba? Same character, ang hirap naman nun. Anyway, so let's start building this one. Okay? And okay, let's start. Yan, I have a sample here sa box. Sa totoo lang, sa likod, may instruction siya on how to build this one. But sa Ferris wheel, medyo wala. Kaya medyo nakakalito siya. So, I'll teach you how. Okay. So, let's get started. Let's remove first the base. Okay. Okay. So, once we remove the base, wait, let's set this aside. Yan. Siyempre, ko-connect na natin siya lahat. Yan. Actually, other collectors tuloy ginawa. Tawag dito? Bumuo ng isang Ferris wheel na puro Kuromi, isa puro Hello Kitty, isa puro Cinnamoroll. Diba? But it's cute, diba? Actually, bala ko nga ng first time yan. But, for me, enough na ako dito. Ang dami ko ng toys. Takaw, space siya. Yan. So, we're done making the platform. Yan. Okay. So, next, we will get one color. Yan. So, anywhere. So, siguro I'll choose the color blue for this one. Yan. Okay. Color blue. Okay. So, this is the first step. Yan. Diba? Okay. So, let's put this down. Yan. Then, second, get at least 3 rods or this one. Wait, ang hirap ulit tanggalin. Oops! Yan. So, let's mix and match na lang to. 1 color green. 2 color pink. 3 actually, as per instructions, 3 lang. So, for this time, I'll make 4. Yan. Purple. Yan. And I think 1 is enough na. I mean, 4 rods, yan. So, okay na. Pag 3 kasi masyadong mababa and sumasayad sa ilalim. So, it's up to you. You could add 1 more pa naman. So, but later na natin siya lagyan, okay? So, after this one, so ganito siya. Okay. After this one, let's get another one of this spinning base. Yan. Then, let's put it here. So, dito po siya. Yan. Okay. Yan. So, it should look like this. Yan. Diba? So, para siyang once. Tanggalin natin sa base, ha. So, para siyang barbell. Diba? So, yan. Yan. As you can see, hindi ko nire-remove yung icons or the logo or the symbol of each character. Yan. Para later on, I'll show you the technique na lang. Okay. So, after that one, rotate it and get another rod. Or what do you call this one? Wala kasing name, so I'll call it a rod na lang. So, at least 2. Yan. Then, stick it here. Yan. Okay. So, ganito siya. Yan. 4, then 2. Okay. So, after that, so, choose either yung remaining na circle na ganito, yung magiging gitna nyo, yung center. So, for this time around, sige, I'll choose the color pink. Sige. So, pink one. Okay. So, let's stick it here. Yan. So, yan, again dapat, syempre, mas mahaba ito kesa dito. Kasi pag mahaba ito, lulundoy yung babagsak siya. Or, pwede nyo nga rin sundin yung instruction na 3 lang dito. But, later on, papakita ko sa inyo. Ba't ganun? Okay. And after this one, let's get na this. Okay? So, let's remove muna yung pinaka, niya, 1 rod. Then, ito na lang po yung matitira. Then, let's stick it now. All together. Yan. Kung baliktad, like this one baliktad, oh. Siyempre, let's remove the character. Yan. Then, baliktad rin natin. Okay, then, yon. Oops. Then, wait. For this time around, lagyan na natin, sige, yung isang symbol in front. Yan. Para hindi ma-misplace yan. So, I choose the heart. Okay. Then, si Hello Kitty naman. Again, kung baliktad, like yung inayos natin na standee, pagbaliktarin niya lang siya. Okay. Yan. Nice. Diba? So, next one. Ochako. Baliktad again. Yan. So, that's how would you build this one. So, syempre, be careful kasi mabilis mabali yung mga plastic. O yun. Nice. Oh. Cool, right? Then, here's Kuromi. Baliktad lahat siya in fairness. Okay. So, ikutin na lang natin. Okay. Nice, right? Then, last 2. See? Yan, di baliktad. See? Cinnamoroll. And last one. See? Yay! My Melody. Okay. Haha. Diba? So, for this time, napansin ko, diba, mali na agad yung turo ko agad. So, mas better kung 1 lang ilalagay nyo. O, diba? So, yan. So, don't be afraid to try. Siyempre. Okay. So, wait. Mahirap na siyang tanggalin. So, let's get 1 lang. Then, ito. Yon. So, mas okay pala siyang isa lang. And, like what I've said, kung 3 lang siya, medyo tatama siya sa base. So, for me, mas okay ng 4. Okay. So, we're done building the Ferris wheel. The Sanrio characters Ferris wheel. Yan. So, medyo lang siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-stable since mabigat siya. Yan. And let's see. Oh, di ba nice? Oh. Yay! Nice, no? So, for this time naman, like this one, ang daming tira, di ba? You could just put it here na lang on the side para hindi mawala, di ba? Kasi, baka mawala naman siya. And yun, it's up to you kung saan nyo siya itutusok na lang din. Okay. Then if you have other like doubles, duplicates, triplets, quadruplets, no same character, you could just tawag dito, connect it or build another wheel here or just another set of Ferris wheel, 'di ba? Or other rides, 'di ba? Okay. So, yan, kung medyo OC kayo, medyo nakalundi lang talaga siya kasi mabigat nga naman yung harapan. So, you could make another wheel here para balance lang siya. But ganun eh. Ganun talaga. Okay. Siyempre, papakita rin natin yung nasa instruction lang ni Jollibee na 3 lang to. Wait. Pakita lang natin yung difference. Wait. Yan. Okay. Yan. So, kung sa instructions kasi sinunod natin na 3 lang. Tingnan nyo. O, diba? Sumayad na yung wheel. So, dapat talaga 4. Okay? So, 4 talaga dapat yung nakalagay here. Yan. At least 4. Pwede rin 5. It's up to you. And don't forget, syempre, na isa lang dito. Kasi nga, mas mabigat siya. Mas ano. Pero yun nga, hindi siya ganun ka-stable kasi nga, mabigat siya. But, it's okay na rin, diba? So, yan, pwede nyong ilagay ito here, diba? Yung sobra. Then, here. Yan. Sa likod. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman siyang ilagay, okay lang naman din. Yan, diba? Para walang obstruction. Tinuro ko lang, para if ever, diba? Yan. You could just remove it naman, yung sobra. Then, this one. Oops, hirap tanggalin. Okay. Diba? Cute. Daming sobra. Diba? So, here na. Yung display na Sanrio Characters Wonder Wheel. So, nice, diba? Yeah. Hopefully, yan, this video helps you highlighters to build this Ferris wheel. Yan. And looking forward na na-complete yun na yung all characters. Yan. If ever, look lang kayo sa online or search lang kayo doon. Maraming nagbebenta, maraming nakikipag-trade. Yun. So, yun. That's all for now, highlighters. And see you next on our next unboxing video, syempre. And video tutorial or whichever would you call this video or toy review. So, yan. Thank you all for watching. See you again, highlighters, very soon. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye! Hey! Ang bilis eh, no? Dahan-dahan nga lang. Hihi! Nice!